Hello guys, Kofi Gaming here, and today we're going to be playing some Islands Royale. This game costs 100 Robux. I bought it like 5 days ago, and it's pretty good. I've been playing it with my friends, so let's just get into it. So this is how I look. I don't look the best, but yes, this is how I look. So let's play solo, and yeah. Oh yeah, if you guys want to know my Discord too, it's Kofi Kamao, #9284. That's my Discord. Let's just expose some people on Discord. Okay, just join and sub to. It sent me to like. You don't have a group. Hey? Just sir. You know what? Just hello, master. Let me just give him my name. HMD Close is a name. Islands Royale is the game. Okay guys, so yeah. Let's just move my screen chimney right now because it's not in the best area. There, it's in the best area. Okay, so as we're waiting to play Islands Royale, well, I spelled it wrong. Let's just talk about my school career. I'm not trying to be rude, but the teacher that I had last year was a dickhead. He was really rude. He liked to out people. I'm not saying his name because I'm pretty sure he knows that I have a YouTube channel because of my friends exposing him to it. I'm not gonna say his name, but like, he was really annoying. And I wish sometimes he would just be nice, but he was never nice. He was never nice. My wish never came true. And if he's probably watching it, he's probably just be like, it's not my fault you don't want to learn. Well, I was kind of doing my work, to be honest, so I don't know what you mean. I'm sorry, can't play. I don't care. Dang it, my gun's on low ammo. Ah, no, they're gonna catch me. Okay, let me just tell him he's on YT, because, let me just tell him. There's something on my computer that stops me. It's okay. P.S. You are on YT. Say hello. Okay, I don't care. So now we're in the battle bus. Let's see where we should land. Low Lake. I actually got this from my friend, but Low Lake is Low Boats and Grandpa. Get it? Because Low Boat goes on Low Lake. No, it should be Low Lake is Low Boat's dad. Because you know how you're on your dad because he's nice to you. I don't know how to explain it, but like how like you gravitate to your dad because of reasons. I don't think anybody has landed here yet. People are already getting eliminated. Oh, that's tough. Wait. Last call for the boss. Oh, pick up this SMG. Let me look through his chest. Let's see if I find any. Ooh, somatic gun, burst rifle, silenced pistol, and medium ammo. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's. Whoa. Oh, there's not someone over there. I'm gonna be like, I should really switch out to my gun. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna switch out to my AK. Even though it's a gray, yeah, I should switch out to this one. Ooh, medium. I guess I'll give up this Uzi because I already have one tactical shotgun. Should I get a pump shotgun? No, it's great. Pistol, I already has silence SMG. Let's see where we are in the thing. Okay, we're basically like in the middle, so we should just stay here. And yeah, let me just heal up, to be honest. Because, you know, you never know what's gonna happen. So I think we should just like break wood so we can build if someone tries to attack me. Because if someone tries to attack me, you know what I'm doing? Dashing! Okay, so let's just break all this wood so we can get some wood. At 400, we'll stop breaking the trees because, you know, tree lives matter. Me doing this actually reminds me of the Lorax because, you know, the one slur and how he breaks trees but then he doesn't stop. And then the Lorax comes just like, no, don't do that. It's like, okay, I won't do that. And then he goes to give them the skis or whatever they're called. Break the tree. How come it won't let me break the tree? Wait, what? I guess I use my pump to break them. I'm just joking. Okay, there, it's working again. So, let's just break the cheese. Let's be the one square till I get enough. Is that a person? Oh, shut! Fudge. Cute. No, I'm not good. Okay, let me just lock myself in here. Wow, I'm trash. Did you just hear me? Let me just lock myself in here. My Galvic. Let me lock myself in here. Okay. Come out to Q. Okay, I think he's seen me, but... So let's just stay in here. Let's just drop all this loot. And let's wait till he comes and then let's shoot him. I don't have enough. Oh, shucks. That's him. Okay, as he breaks it. Is he still there? Oh, shucks. Fudge. He's breaking this one. No! I was so trash, I can't even fight him. All I did was stand there and watch him kill me. Oh, dang it. I'm really not good. Let's try one more game, and if I don't become first, I swear, I'm leaving this whole game entire. I should have picked up the pump. Oh, there's so many things I could have done. But I understand why when he was thinking I didn't put the wall, then I got ready when he was breaking it. Because that could have gave me a lot of, that could have helped me a lot. But I wasn't thinking, this is me. Let's murk him. Even though I can't murk in this game, I'm so trash. And if you guys want to see me play another game, not like the games that I always find, just say them in my comments and say the game you want me to play. Because then if you do that, I'm going to be able to, you. Out of all the people could have killed me at the moment, you. Out of all the people that have to kill me at the exact moment, I was just like, you. You had to kill me, I got your trust, I gave you my password. And all I need to say is Y-O-U. Y-O-U, Y-O-U. Out of all the games I have to play, just Y-O-U. Out of all the servers you could have joined, just Y-O-U. If I get 100 subs by the end of this week, that music video, Y-O-U, is going to be posted. Y-O-U. It's pretty good. Okay. I don't really care if you cry. Why is this taking so damn long? Should have saw the way she looked at me. She said, She said, baby, I'm not afraid of Yeah, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. Okay, so let's play another squads. Where's the mouse? Okay. Actually, let's play squads. Oh, dang it. I pressed ready and it just made me join a random server. This is gonna be the last game I have to do, right? I should really consider playing another game. Because Roblox is once gonna die, man. What game am I gonna play then? And I should really consider spending money on the screen recorder. Because right now it only lets me record to 15 minutes. So if I buy it, it said it let me record to 100 minutes. That's 1 hour, 70, 80, 90. That's 1 hour and 40 minutes. So I can literally make a stream if I wanted to. But who cares? I wonder if Albert Einstein ever had brain damage. I mean brain farts. Cause he was so smart. So would a smart person get brain farts? Or does it work when you get a brain fart? Imagine if you have to press Z or X. Yeah, done. Emo, 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 emo. I wish you could change it, not enough materials. How did I do that thing where I was just no, X. As we are going into the battle bus, where should we land? Because we already landed at let's land at Happy Hillside. Because Happy Hillside is a pretty good place. I'm gonna have to end this video soon in 1 minute. Because my screen recorder is trash. Let's just get killed easily. Okay, let's land where everybody's landing. Most people landed here. So I guess we're gonna be landing here. No, they landed here. Emo, emo. Oh, there's a person there. Jesus, eyes. Let me in. Give me the tap. Let me kill this person. They're right there. They're in that building. Wait, where'd they go? No. Oh, no. Oh, there. Die! How come you're not dying? What's up with you? Stop hacking. Stop being a hacker. Well, guys, I think this is the end of the video. I'm sorry that I had to end it so quick. It's just that I have places to go, things to do. Everybody doesn't have a happy life. I have to go to work, aka school and homework. Even though I'm done all my homework. I don't know what you're saying. I'm not done. A bit of my homework. Who is there? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, like, subscribe, and comment what game you wanted. How come it won't let me shoot? This game is hacked. Did you see me shooting him? Well, If you guys enjoyed this video,